Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Jeep Gladiator and this is by Matchbox, and this is the moving part series, and this is the second one in that series. Actually this is 10 out of 54, but as per Indian market this is the second one, and I bought this for 399 rupees, not more than that. That is the MRP. Okay, let's open and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So the first impressions are this looks really beautiful. The paint job looks really nice, and it is even throughout the car. So there is no any irregularities in paint jobs, and it is a bit heavy. It gives a nice premium feel to it because of the weight. So here is the openable part. So headlights are still painted. Same goes for the tail lights as well. But regardless, this looks really nice and this looks really beautiful. It's a well made casting. The wheels are actually made of entirely plastic. There is no rubber in this one. So you can see, it is Matchbox. The lettering is embossed here. So it's a bit hard to show the interior because the windows are actually tinted. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, that is actually nice. It is smooth and fast as well. So I didn't expect this to be this smooth compared to the Hot Wheels which I unboxed earlier. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.